Space posts according to deck configuration and top rail length. Place the leveling plate on the mounting surface and then place the post on top of it. Attach the post to the structural surface using bolts or lags. Then, using a 3/16" Allen wrench, turn set screws to level the post mount. Make sure the post spacers are in place. Then slide the vinyl post over your post mount. Finally, place your post trim. Slide the bracket over the rails, then put the bottom rail in place 2 inches above the mounting surface. A 2-inch block can provide support from the bottom rail during installation. Slide the bracket against the post. Fasten the bracket to the corner of the post using the screws provided and secure the bracket to the railing. Then slide the screw cover into place. If you need to cut your railing, make sure to cut an equal amount from both ends, rather than all from one end. Do not cut through baluster holes. Insert balusters into the holes in the bottom rail and push them firmly into place. Place the top rail 36 or 42 inches, depending on the height of the section you've chosen, from the deck surface to the top of the rail. Set it onto the balusters. Fasten the railing to the center of the post using the provided screws. Then secure the bracket to the railing and slide the screw covers into place. Place the cap on post to set it in place.